Alright, Pete's Computer Repair here. Sorry about the noise, my fish tank is next to us, and we got the screen on here. This TV was recently purchased from a hotel. It is an LG, and I'll have the number in the description. You press the buttons, the menu, power, nothing works. Nobody knows how to do these things, except they say get a service remote and use a manual. Don't use the service remote. This is the cheap version. LS4100A. Plug it in the power cord into the power cord, the one from the back of the TV. Then take the power cord from this, let's focus, thank you, and plug it into the TV. Plug this into the port in the middle. It's the only one that it fits in. Once it's in, you'll get a red light on the screen right there in place of the green one. You'll get a red light right here. It'll look like a little red light somewhere in this thing as well. Press and hold the reset button. Turn the power off, unplug the thing, put it up normal, and inputs. It works like a normal TV. All these other people putting all these things out here, they're wrong. Service remote, it's like 75 bucks. This thing is $9. Don't get ripped off. Thanks. This is how it is in the back. Underneath. Input to control service. The cable only plugs in there. It won't plug in either of the PC ones. You'll see that the power cord up to the TV, it's running off of here. We're going to go from the very beginning here, in case there was any issues at the beginning of the video. I don't like making these things too long. The remote power wouldn't come on with this box is set. We have it set on here where it requires it right now. You're going to have all those hotel menus. Right now, not a lot of stuff is going to work. If we go to menu, you're going to see a few things that are unlocked right now, but without that box, nothing will work. Now, how do we get it to make it where it will work without the box? The menu settings button on the remote. Press and hold. We're going to have a menu that comes up. There it is, keep holding. It'll go to the channel. Press 2663. Enter. And you get this cool menu right up here. Now you can use the remote down to D-Box. Turn that off. Make sure everything is reset. Now, we should be able to turn the thing off. Unhook the box, and everything should work just fine from here. Let's check it out. The thing is unhooked, and the remote. Let's change that input. We don't need all that noise, right? We already got enough from the fish tank. Now, go back to menu. We want all that stuff unlocked. We got to turn the D-Box back on, plug her back in, hit the reset, and then turn the D-Box off. We don't need any of that stuff on. You want it left that direction. You have all these options with this box. Again, this box is way cheaper than getting the service remote. Alright, link to the bottom to buy me a beer. Thanks.